So we're gonna work our shoulder blade muscles. In order to do that, you need to have some sort of item. I have a ball. If this ball feels like it's a little too big, what you can do is get a pillow and double a pillow over, or a towel roll. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it underneath your arm where your elbow is. You're gonna flex your arm. You're gonna put it underneath your elbow and on the side of your torso. You wanna make sure that you're not too far back because that's gonna pop your shoulder forward. You wanna make sure you're in alignment to where that elbow is slightly down by your hip. You can see my elbow is down in the same alignment as my hip, or you want it slightly forward just a little bit. Now we're gonna hold it in this position. We're gonna turn our palm up, and then what I wanna do is take my shoulder blade and squeeze it down and back a little bit. And when I do that, I've gotta start with this shoulder back already. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna start with my shoulders already back, and then I'm gonna squeeze that shoulder blade. As I squeeze that shoulder blade, all I'm gonna do is give myself a little bit of squeeze. So I'm getting the shoulder back first. I'm squeezing the ball inward, so I'm compressing this direction. And then as I do that, I feel that I'm getting a little bit more contraction down here through my lower trapezius, down here in the bottom of my shoulder blade. And I also feel a little bit of tightness in my armpit, and that's what you want to feel. You want to make sure that as you do this, you don't feel this upper trap pop up. So make sure when you start this exercise that your shoulder is starting in a good position. We're already starting back. Then we're going to go ahead and move our shoulder blade back and down a little bit. We're going to give ourselves a little bit of a squeeze here. Inward, palm is up, and you should be feeling some really good tightness through this region here. If you feel like your low back is starting to kick in a little bit, make sure you sit to do this exercise. And when you're sitting, lean back against the backrest of the chair, and that'll prevent your back from kicking in as much. If you do this without a backrest or standing, sometimes our low back wants to kick in to help us do this exercise.